down your chest for me. Okay, so now we're going to palpate and just feel where we found those areas before. So once we've highlighted one area here, going to make a little fist like this, either side of the spine, roll the patient back onto the hand, get the patient to take a deep breath in, and as they breathe out, just apply pressure down, go through the manipulation. Now I'm just going to highlight the area just at the top here, so we're going to change our hold for this one. So you put your hands behind the back of your neck for me, and bring your arms elbows forward. So this now I've got more control at the top of the neck. Again, take the patient take a deep breath in, and back out. And go through the manipulation.